Hi guys, it's Nikki and Watson. Watson, say hi. I'm ready to Stitch Fix. Okay, so Watson's ready, and today is Stitch Fix day, so I did get my box today. I'm not going to go into my little rant about why my mailman cannot put the package on the front porch where it is covered. And instead, he sets it, there's something going on in the bathroom. Instead, he sets it just outside the cover and it is pouring rain. And he does it all the time. The other time, he actually put it right behind our car. So anyway, let's get started. Here is my box, and it's a little bit of a bigger box, so let's see. And I did peek, as I've told you before, but I haven't seen this stuff yet in real life. But I just wanted to say before I get started, thanks to all of you who watched, thanks to you who commented. I love the feedback that you give too. It does make a difference, so I appreciate that very much. And Watson appreciates the positive feedback as well. So we're gonna jump right in this time and see what I got. Okay, so the first item is this t-shirt, and I think you're going to see a common theme. This is a little bit different. It's kind of like a black and gray color a little bit, maybe a slight green, but it is more of the black and gray. And this one is called the Free People Clare Roll Cuff Tee. So I'm guessing that unless this fits horribly, I will be keeping it because it is casual and totally my style. So next we have this. Oh, okay. It's like inside out. Okay, it's an off-the-shoulder top. I don't know if you guys can see this, and actually it's inside out right now. So maybe it's not. It's just the tag. Sorry about that. Okay, I don't want to be this close. But it's an off-the-shoulder top, and it just has this kind of lace cutout. So it's kind of cute, little extra detail with still the casual color. So I think I like that. Watson, do you have to itch right on camera? Can you hold up? Yeah, hold on. Okay. Okay, sorry about this. Okay, this next item. Okay, this is the moto jacket that I have been looking for. I think you've seen I have a couple in other colors and styles, but this one is one of those that just sits open, and I'll have to see how these flaps are going to work because this is interesting. So yeah, I wanted this, I pinned this, I'm excited for this, but we will see how this works. Next, we've got a pair of jeans, and these ones are Pistola, the Easton distressed frayed hem jeans. So you can see basically just has the frayed hem, a little bit of distressing, not too much, but your standard. There's the back. I will try these on. I usually always love my jeans from Stitch Fix. I'm hoping these will be the same. Okay, last but not least, okay, so these are denim shorts. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, these are supposed to be a size. Okay, so once again, the tag says these are a size 0, but the shorts are actually a 29. If you can see, these are very stretchy, and these are not a size 0. These are not. Okay, so I am excited about these shorts. So I'm gonna go ahead and try them on, but I'm fairly certain that these are not the correct size. Okay, so I will go do the try-ons and see what I see. So this is the shirt. I tried it on actually first with the shorts they sent, and I will go put those on, but I was laughing so hard I couldn't do it at the same time. I think this shirt would not have been given its fair due. So anyway, this is the shirt. You can see, I mean, it's pretty much just a t-shirt, but I do like this rolled sleeve. I don't know if you can see that very well. It's kind of like a rolled sleeve. It just kind of finishes it off nicely, and the shirt's pretty good quality. So I really like this shirt, and I also like these shorts, by the way, that I got in one of my prior fixes. So definitely think I'm going to keep this shirt. I'm going to go throw those other shorts on so you can see what they look like. So here they are. Here are the shorts. I'm going to have to keep a good grip on these, or we'll have the last two, this one and my last fix, I think, have had a pair of jeans or shorts that were listed inside as a 29 but outside as a 0. So I think the equivalent to a 0 would be like a 25 or 24. Generally 24, I believe. So yeah, quite large. I do really like the shorts though, so if you want to look at them, they're super cute. I like them. I really hope that they have a small size to exchange these in. So anyway, yeah, there's my mismatch. Okay, just trying to keep him awake. So these are the jeans, and I rolled them up just a little bit at the bottom, so they are just kind of like a straight frayed hem, like I said, with a little bit of distressing. They fit normally. They are a little, I think because they're not a high rise, more of a mid rise, they feel a little different up on top. I don't know how to explain it, but I do like them. They're comfortable, and I can always use jeans. So pretty much in the last few months, Stitch Fix has replaced all my previous jeans, which I had grown out of anyway, or shrunk out of in this case, which is not usual. Usually I was growing out of them. So people can have all sorts of things going on in their lives. Okay, so this is the jeans, and I like it with the shirt, and so I think I'm happy with these, but give me your feedback and what you think about the jeans, because I don't have to keep every pair now. I can get a little more picky. All right, thank you. All right, so this is the moto jacket, okay? Now, this is I really like these jackets, and like I said, the ones I've received recently are the ones that have a zipper. So what do you think of this? So my biggest thing is I like these jackets if these flaps stay nicely. Oh, do you like this jacket, Watson? You like this one? Okay, well, he's being kind of vocal, so I think he likes the jacket. And again, I don't know if you guys can see it, so like this part is actual kind of, I think, the pleather, and then this is more of like a, I don't even know, it's like a cotton material, I guess. So it's pretty lightweight, and then the back is that same material with a little bit of that leather uppers or pleather upper. I don't know. What do you think of it? It's kind of like just an open blazer. Are you done with Stitch Fix? Or do you just not like this jacket, or what's the issue? Okay, well, we're gonna see what's going on with Watson, and I have one more item to try. Okay, so this is the last shirt, the one I showed you guys. So it's like kind of like a t-shirt type material. I'm sure it's like some sort of blend, but it's got these kind of see-through lace panels with a crochet kind of up in it. So I like it because it's very much, I like to have a really casual style, but with a few details. And I know I've said this before, but I really like these little details. So, and it's flowy and loose like this. So I like have a habit of doing that front tuck all the time, but you could wear it like this as well. Just loose and flowy. So that's how it looks in the back. So yeah, there it is. I don't know what you think. The only thing I think that might be an issue is the sleeves are a little bit long. So, okay. So I will come back and sit down and kind of finish everything up and wake Watson up. See you soon. Okay, so I'm just going to go through the prices really quickly because I think I had some feedback that people did want to know that, and I think we do post them, but just quickly, the leather jacket, or the faux leather jacket, and it's actually in a dark gray color. It looks black to me, but it's dark gray. That's $88. The jeans that I have on, these are a Pistola. Ooh, spendy. 88 bucks for these. I do like them, so I'm probably going to be keeping them, but I would love your feedback on that. Then this top, which is called an olive and oak lace sleeve detail knit top, is $54. I like it. I haven't seen it anywhere else. It's comfortable. I probably will keep it, but give your feedback. Then the Free People t-shirt was $38. I know that's a t-shirt, but I know what Free People prices are, so I'll probably be getting that. And then last but not least, these shorts are $68, and I'm going to try to exchange them because I like them a lot. Hopefully they have my size. So that's it. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you've not already done so. The reason I do this, as I say every time, is just so that people can see the clothes when I try them on. I love to watch other people do this as well, and I think everybody has kind of their unique way to present things, and I just love watching them. So thank you guys for watching, and give any suggestions or feedback for next time. Watson and I are going to sign out, and we will see you again soon. Bye. Okay, Watson and I have been having a good conversation here. Watson, you want to keep talking? Huh? Can you see him? Probably not his face. He looks like Scooby-Doo right now.